So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI-generated pop-up like this one using our new feature, the AI Pop Generator. So let's go ahead and start. Just need to go back to the dashboard, and here in your dashboard, you can see at the upper right-hand corner of your screen the AI Pop Generator button. So you just need to click on this one and it will take you to the screen. So here you can select annotation for your pop-up. So since it's Mother's Day, we'll just choose this one. And then you just have to click generate pop-up. So it would take a few minutes to generate a pop-up for you. Also, just a reminder that at the moment, we are only limiting the pop-up generation to 3 times per hour. You can see that reminder here. So make sure to utilize this feature um, properly. So yeah, so the AI was already able to generate a pop-up for us. So here we can select a banner image. So the generator was able to create 3 images. So we just need to select from these 3. And this is all based on your website. Since our website is about furniture, so it generated 3 images related to the website. Next, we need to select the text content. So it was able to generate also 4 content for pop-up. So yeah, it's, we just need to select one. And then a theme at the bottom, we can select from any of these themes. So yeah, for example, let's just use this one. And once we're satisfied, you can click save and edit pop-up. It will take you back to this screen, the pop convert pop-up editor. So here you can further enhance your pop-up, change the design if you want to, add more content, change the settings, the display, and the conversion text. So yeah, and then once you're done, you can just click or hit publish, and you now have your pop-up.